Is that Elysium over there? Oh, yeah, I'm fine. It's just, well, let's just say I have someone important down here, and it was my fault. Let's just leave it at that. No, it was my fault. But don't worry. I'll find the ones responsible. They will regret it. Grover? Grover! Shit, come on. Pretty sure that's easier said than done, guys. Gotcha. Alright, I'm gonna pull you back up now. You okay, Grover? Come on, let's get away from this cliff. That was a close one. Percy, isn't this the same place you and I have been dreaming about? Yeah, that's what I thought. So it doesn't smell right. I don't like that smell. Guys? Oh, there's a long way down. Percy. No, you get dragged down with me. Sorry, Percy.